Hello everyone, this is Sarabjit Kaur and today we will start our chapter number 2, that is a thank you friend. In this chapter there are 4 characters. One is crow, tortoise, mouse and a deer. So firstly, there was a first character, that is a crow, and they were very good friends. Second one was a tortoise and the third one was a mouse. They were very good friends, and one day they were talking with each other. They were sitting there and talking with each other, and suddenly a deer came there, and they were gazing at them that how he came here, and the deer was being chased by a hunter. One hunter was chased him. Chased means following him. So don't be afraid, said the tortoise. Hunters never come so far into the forest. On that time, tortoise said to the deer that don't afraid that hunters will not come here. You are safe and secure here. Then why don't you stay with us? Asked the tortoise. Then tortoise asked again that you should live with us. To whom he said? To deer. He said that you should also live with us, then we will become very good friends. The deer agreed and the four soon very good friends. Every day they met and spent time with each other. Every day they meet with each other and spend time with each other. One morning the deer did not come. The crow said, I'll look around. So one day they three were sitting and the deer did not come over there. They were very surprised that why deer has not come today. They were very good friends, and what happened to him that he has not come. So crow decided that he will search for him. And he flown away and started to search him. The crow said, I will look around for him, and flew away. Soon he saw the deer trapped in a net on the bank of a river. He saw that a deer was trapped over there. He went back and told his friends what he had seen. Crow came back and he said to the friends that what he had seen, we must do something quickly, otherwise the hunter will come and take him away, said the tortoise. Now tortoise said to his friends that we should do something for the deer. So on that time the mouse said, if the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. So mouse take the initiative and he said that if you will take me over there, then I will help him. So the crow picked the mouse up in his beak and flew to the river bank. So crow picked up the mouse and started to flew. So the crow picked mouse and beak, flew to the river. The mouse cut the ropes, the deer was free. Over there the mouse cut the ropes and deer became free there. The tortoise too came crawling. Now the four friends came over there and they started to go towards their home. As the four friends were about to leave, thus they saw the hunter coming. The crow flew up to a tree. In that time, the four were sitting. In that time, hunter was coming again. So the crow flew up to a tree. Crow has gone to the tree. Deer has run away and mouse also ran away and he hid himself. But the tortoise was very slow and steady and he couldn't escape himself and he got trapped by the hunter. Here you can see the hunter began walking along the river bank with the tortoise. Now he is going with the tortoise. He trapped the tortoise. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. Now deer thought a plan that how he can save the tortoise. He told the crow, the mouse about it. He told about his plan that how he can save the tortoise to his friends. He lay down in the path of the hunter and he was dead. The crow sat on the deer's head and gently pecked at it. Now it was an idea that deer will sit over there. He will lay over there and that crow will peck on him, bit on him. He will take the bites that he is looking like that he is dead, and the hunter will become confused by this thing that the deer is dead and he will get he will track to the deer on that time. So the hunter was happy to see the deer. Now the hunter became happy by watching the deer that he will catch him. He dropped his net. Here you can see that he has dropped his net, and on that time, in the meantime, the mouse ran and gnawed at the ropes of the net. When the hunter came close, the crow flew away and the dead deer jumped up and ran fast. In this time, that all the animals has gone away from there, and the tortoise who was escaped by the mouse again, he was also crawled inside the river. The tortoise was free. He crawled to the river and slipped into the water. The 4 friends were safe. Now here you can see that now the 4 friends were again safe. They became very good friends again, and they helped each other. They cooperated with each other. So the moral of this lesson is that we should cooperate with each other. We should share our talents, our things with others. Then our friendship will become more useful. Next is, here is exercises. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. You can see, you can do it yourself. Like first one, the friends met. Option 2 options are there: every day or on Sundays, and spend time with each other. So when they meet with each other every day. Afterwards, there is a who said these words and to whom. You have to give the answer that who said these words. Why don't you stay with us? Who said these words? I told you in the video that who said these words? Tortoise. Next one is question answers. Where did the 4 friends live? In the full story you have read about is that he was living in a forest. You have to write the sentence, full sentence. Don't write the answer in a one word. Next one is play with words. D exercise. You have to fill in the blanks. Options are given there that which animal has which thing. Like a cow has a horns, monkey has a long tail. In this way you will do others. Next one is circle the words. Don't be afraid. Afraid, you have to give the synonym of that word. 2 words are there, happy and frightened, and you will pick one from there. So synonym of afraid is frightened. Afterwards there is a workbook. First exercise of it, what sound do these animals make? First of all, there is a crow, mew, caw, moo. What is the sound of a crow? That is a mew, caw or moo. That is a caw. In this way you will do this one exercise, sounds of the animals you have to identify. Next one is a fill in the blanks, choose words from the box. Words are given for you, like a bear lives in a cave. Options are given over there. Rabbit lives in a burrow. In this way you will do this one exercise. If there will be any doubt in any exercise, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.